What's up guys, it's Eliana and today we are here at Greig's Strawberry Garden right here at Kumu. It is a 30 to 40-ish minute drive from Auckland depending on the traffic and where you're coming from. Obviously, it is a beautiful Kiwi summer day and you know we had to do the quintessential summer activity, strawberry picking. This is also the original place to get real fresh fruit ice cream, so I'm excited. Hope you guys are too, so let's go. I'm ready to be a farmer. I'm not a summer person, so this is new to me. So remember when you go here to put on some sunblock, or if you're like me, if you're wondering why I'm wearing this thing, it's to protect your skin from the harsh New Zealand summer ray.
Yeah, the outdoors are new to you.
No, it's not. So if you don't know, there is an entry fee coming here, so it is $8.50 to enter, but you do get your first kilo for free, which is essentially half a bucket, but because there's two of us, we're just gonna fill this whole thing. But if you're also 12 years old and under, it's free because, you know, why exploit children? Also, if you're like me and you're not the type to eat strawberries by themselves and more as a baked good, we're gonna do a little bit of baking towards the end of this video. Gonna make some strawberry shortcake or something like that, just to, you know, make use of all the strawberries that we get today. I don't know, something about this specific area is giving me good energy. So let's hope we find some beautiful ripe strawberries. They're all very tiny. It's fine. Are they just meant to be this small?
I don't know.
I don't know why. A lot of them are quite... Look how cute it is. It's so small. So you know what? First pick of the day.
Nice. You get some there.
I got slightly bigger one. Yes. And it's okay if the strawberries are a bit small, because like fish, the smaller, the juicier and sweet.
Also with your entry fee, it does say that you can eat as you go, so I just got a nice little strawberry here. Oh, oh, that sounds sweet.
Really?
Yeah, that's really good. It's like grocery strawberries are so much more sour, but you know it's straight from the farm. That was really good.
That one looks a bit big.
Where? Where?
Oh,
Where?
there, that one. Is that one big?
Which one?
No, oh my god. Left.
Left?
Down.
Down?
No.
This?
Yeah.
No, it's pale. Look at it. And it's like, well, you probably can't see, but it's like pale, and nah, that's it. That's the end of its life.
Oh.
That's not the goods.
You hate me.
Well, this looks a bit more promising. Oh no, there's a hole. Never mind.
Okay, so we're pretty much just gonna be switching rows just because the first one wasn't giving us the energy that we deserve. So let's hope for a better pick. I only have 6 right now, and I have to fill this whole bucket. We're gonna try our luck at the end part of the farm just to see how that goes. This one's quite cute. I'm gonna call it Sean, cause S.
What?
From there.
Oh, okay. Let's. Where?
Like there, next to the there.
Here.
Oh my.
Oh. It's not that big.
Well, it doesn't matter if it's big. Its size doesn't matter all the time. All right.
Yeah, all right. You know what? Fine. Let's just.
Yeah, this is the other one too.
Okay, fine. Let's get that as well. Oh yeah. All right. Oh! Look at that! Ooh! Look at that treasure trove.
Ooh, this one's quite nice.
Beets. Oh yeah, that's quite. Oh! I felt like a gooey one right there.
This one's very nice.
Oh yeah, that's quite nice as well. And that, yes. Okay, put it in the bucket.
The harvest is a bit more bountiful on this side. I already got 3. That's that's a nice one. Oh my goodness, this side is really giving the vibe. Well, three sizable ones. Sweet. Very nice.
I found my favorite pick.
Is this the biggest one so far?
I think so. I'm gonna
Look at
call
that.
this one Sarah S. My one, prettiest one.
If it's the prettiest one, shouldn't you call it Eliana?
Next question. Check it here.
Kobe.
Woo!
See that?
Oh, look at that. Oh, big one. I shall call this Kratos, God Killer.
Inside, boy.
I got a few ones as well. This torpedo looking one. Schlong the strawberry. Oh my goodness, this row is actually giving us, it's such a bountiful harvest, friends. Oh, that's, wait, you said that was, I think this is a bit overripe.
I can find a chunky one. Yeah, that one.
Oh, double, ooh, it's like very, abnormal. But we stand abnormal thing. Like Yanby. Stupid vine. I feel like a dog actively searching for the scent of another dog's butt. What?
Catch this.
Pulls up 3-pointer.
Oh no!
Bang!
You caught that.
Bang! It's good.
That
Buckets.
Jimmy G bucket.
Almost full, so we've almost reached a kilo. I wish I knew because I don't want to pay extra. But you know, that's a pretty good picking. I'm excited. So these are the official. Oh no, it's kind of soft. Alright, this is gonna be the last strawberry for today. We are approaching the 2 kilograms. Look at that bountiful harvest of strawberries. I am pretty happy with this, so we're gonna go back and now let's get some real fresh fruit ice cream.
Pick a little bit more still, or you're good to go?
That's perfect.
You're
Thank
good
you.
to go. They look nice berries too.
Thank
We
you.
was-
Oh, it's actually yes, I have become one. So we got our strawberry picking done. Now for some ice cream.
Do you know? I don't think it does money.
Thank you very much. Alright, let's go.
Go on.
Okay, so we're under the shade now to cool off with our ice cream. I got strawberry, my brother got blueberry, so
That's it.
Yes, blueberry.
Good boy, that's it.
so refreshing. Has that nice strawberry flavor, sweet, not too acidic. It's the perfect summery thing to end the day.
So I also got the blueberry. I actually came here, I think 2 weeks ago, and I got the strawberry, and I already know it's one of the best real fruit ice creams you can get in Auckland. So I just decided to try something different. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's like a bit more of a delicate sweetness than the strawberry. It's still really nice. Like, I guess it depends on what mood. Obviously the strawberry is the more quintessential one. But if you're looking for something else, they do have boysenberry, blueberry, which is really nice, and mixed berry as well. They also have some gelato options if you don't feel like some real fruit ice cream. But like, why wouldn't you feel like some real fruit ice cream? Still very good.
By the way, they also have a nice like garden area out back where we are now. It's a nice place to kind of just relax, you know, sit down, enjoy your ice cream or whatever, especially after a hard day of picking strawberries. It is a vibe. Alright, so welcome to our house. We're back home. It's actually the next day, but we're gonna bake some strawberry shortcake, you know, a simple dessert just to showcase these beautiful strawberries. They're not as vibrant just because they were in the fridge, but right now I'm just making the little shortcake, which to be honest is just a scone. So I'm very excited. Let's begin.
Alright, let's make the strawberry shortcake. I combined the dry ingredients with some butter and mixing in some buttermilk for some added flavor. Once that was put together, I put it in the fridge to chill and worked on the strawberries. I decided to macerate the strawberries with some sugar and lemon to add some sweetness, but still letting the natural flavor come through.
Alright, so I'm about to put this in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Oh yeah. See you soon. So it is time. Our shortcake or scones are fresh out of the oven. We also got some other toppings, of course, our beautiful strawberries. I just quickly macerated them, which is essentially just some juice, sugar, some vanilla, just to release those natural juices, and some whipped cream, of course.
Once that's done, I finished up the shortcake, baked until golden brown, and filled it with the strawberry mix and some whipped cream for the final touch. If you want to know where I got the recipe from, I'll leave the link in the description down below.
Alright, we've made it to the end, folks. Look at this little guy. I'm pretty proud of that plating. It's a very simple dessert, but I mean, it's so beautiful. Alright, we gotta give it a try. Gotta have a bite of everything. The strawberries, the whipped cream, and the shortcake or scone, however you wish to go about it. Let's give it a taste. Everything is perfectly balanced. Oh my. Wow. The strawberries still retain a bit of their sweetness, but have that nice tart and acidity to it. You know, kind of balances out with all like the sugar, and the whipped cream, you know, adds a nice fatty creaminess. And of course, the shortcake, nice crunch, nice base. But yeah, very solid, very happy. And if you think about it, the strawberries, this is basically farm to table right here. It just makes you appreciate the ingredients, especially when you put your hard work into this. So yeah, we had a lot of fun yesterday picking some strawberries at Greig's Strawberry Garden, as well as getting some real fruit ice cream and taking our strawberries home and creating this beautiful little guy. We had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys had fun watching too, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!